Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to find the equation of a line when it's parallel or where it's perpendicular. So I have 4 questions here. Find the slope of the line that is perpendicular to the line y equals 7x plus 3 over 4. So the formula we're using is slope intercept form. Form intercept y equals mx plus b. So find the slope. If you guys know, m is the slope, is equal to the slope. Y is the y-intercept, or b is the y-intercept, and y and x are the 2 points. If it shows here, it doesn't show. So find the slope of the line that is perpendicular to the line y equals 7x plus 3 over 4. So what is the slope? If you could find out, x isn't a slope, and this 3 over 4 is actually b. So what else could be the slope? Well, 7 has to be the slope because it shows in the equation. So if 7 is the slope, they want this to know the slope of the line if it would be perpendicular. So perpendicular means that this number m has to be in inverse, so like the total opposite of this number. So 7, what is the opposite of 7? Minus 7, of course, but they're asking for more than just minus 7. So minus is right, but what's the opposite of 7? 1 over 7, if I make sense. And then you have to add in x plus 3 over 4. So that means that m equals minus 1 over 7. So that's the slope. So that's the first question. Kind of easy. So here we go again. Y equals mx plus b. So y equals minus 2x plus 4. So the slope is minus 2 right here. So what is the opposite of minus 2? So it shows it's minus in the question, so you have to make it plus. So if you do the same thing for the first one we did, it would be 1 over 2 and plus 1 over 2. So the slope equals 1 over 2, and the equation would be y equals 1 over 2x plus 4. And that's the equation that they're asking for. So now, find the slope that is parallel to the line y equals 3x over 5 minus 4 over 3. So y equals mx plus b. So this is 3x over 5. I mean 3x over 5. So actually the 3x over 5 actually means just 3 over 5 times x. That's all that it means. So that means that 3 over 5 is the slope. So m is the slope. And minus 4 over 3. So find the slope of the line that is parallel. When it's parallel, that means the slope is the same. So if say I had 2 equations, y equals 2x plus 18, and I had y equals 2x plus 12. You see how these two are the same? 2x and 2x, They're both the same, even if it's plus 12 over here. So that means that they are parallel. So for this here to be parallel, what you have to do is just put 3 over 5. Y equals 3 over 5 x minus 4 over 3. That's all you have to do. It's so easy. So the slope equals 3 over 5. Nothing special, just easy. So now we're going to go on to the next question, which is going to be you're going to have to solve it. Find the equation of the line which is parallel to the line y equals 5x plus 11 and passes through the point 4 and 7. So it says parallel. So what we just did, I said parallel. So that means that 5, it has to be the same on both equations. So on the second equation, you're going to have to do the slope, it has to be 5 because it says parallel. So here are the four answers it could be. So let's solve it. Y equals 5x plus 11, and we have 4 and 7, like this. So what we first have to do, this is in y equals mx plus b form. This is the equation. So you have to put, this is y, or this is x, and this is y, and you have to substitute them in for x here and y here. So if you substitute them in, 7 equals 5, and then parentheses 4, because x is 4, plus b. You have to do plus b because you want to find b again. So this is the equation, and then you do 7 equals 20 and plus b. So this is the you just multiply this and keep this the same because it's on the equal sign. So then you do minus 20 here and the same here. So what is 7 minus 20? It's minus 13. Minus 13 equals b. You don't put the plus because there's nothing to plus over here. So you just put the equal sign, or equal sign, and then b. So now we found b, and now we can put our equation together. So you put y equals, and since in the beginning we said the slope is going to be the same in both equations, you just have to put 5, and x isn't the slope, but you just put x there. And then what was b? B is it was 11, and we substitute for b, so we have to put them in the same exact spot. So what we found was b is minus 13, and we just put minus 13 there, and this is the answer. So A is the correct answer, and that's how you guys do it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.